my bike, Fit Bike 81. Got a Fitbit. This Sequel Fit Bike. Some little guy on some stabilizer bike, the Ben 10 one.
Yeah.
And I got the Fitback wheels, 2.25. Tires, yeah. I got my Fit wheels, white rims.
It's a bike check.
I got the Fit Eddie1 handlebars and the Fit Eddie1 forks. Makes a better noise than his. My hole, you ready?
I've got that one there, see?
That's when I spent 10
Yeah.
I got some Odyssey twist pedals. I got Odyssey cranks.
Ben 10 bikes in a
I
bed.
got a Fit stem.
I can't
I'm
ride
getting
without no stabilizers yet.
Shut up, poo.
I'm getting a Fit. I'm getting a new stem, Fit, but in white. I'm getting some keyboard white grips, not the gel ones. They're all messed.
Yes.
Oh no, I've got my Fit sprocket.
Kill the Ben 10 bike.
Fit bike sprocket, 22 teeth, 25, I don't know.
Twist bike.
There's
What teeth?
There's nine at the back. 80, go sleep.
Go away!
9 teeth at the back. Brake pads Fit as well. Brake box Fit. Brake lever. Like every other bike near enough.
I think I got one of these on your bike.
10 roll. Brake lever.
Petrol.
Petrol, oh yeah.
You
It looks
spot.
like petrol or whatever, right? And my hubs.
Fit.
Not much to say, just Fit. And listen to the sound it makes, a lot louder than his.
Oh, he done it. Nice.